Hi everyone, I'm Chang Jiamin. I'm going to present this PowerPoint. And my partner, Chan Minghui, is the person who did this PowerPoint and report. Our title is Function Graph. This research is motivated by creativity, which has not been a priority in learning. In fact, teachers' creativity can actually be a support to grow and develop learning skills of students. Being innovative and creative in using technology and information media is a required skill in the teaching and learning process, especially during the situation of COVID-19 pandemic. Concerning issues and objectives. The creativity of teachers is very important in learning, especially during PJJ in the COVID-19 pandemic situation, because students are very easily getting bored and tired. The creativity of teachers in learning, especially at Maths or Maths teachers, is very necessary. It aims to make students interested in Maths or Maths lessons. Maths or Maths teachers are required to have creativity in all fields related to Maths learning, as well as the use of various Maths learning models, methods, and media. Teachers as educators can help students to master 21st century skills. How can we remember the function graph easily? Let's see. First, a person points southwest with his right hand, meanwhile his left hand pointed to northeast, means a straight line graph. Second, a person points both of his hands upward, means a quadratic graph with a U shape. Third, a person points to north with his right hand and points toward south with his left hand, which means cubic graph. Fourth, a person points to east with a little bit curve of his right hand and points to west with a little bit curve of his left hand, which means trigonometric graph. Fifth, a person points his curved right hand toward the southeast, while his curved left hand points to southwest. It means a trigonometric graph. Sixth, a person points his right hand curvely towards the northeast, meanwhile the person points to southwest with his left hand curvely. It means a trigonometric graph y equal to tangent x. 7. A person curves around the face with his right hand. At the same time, the person uses his left hand curve in front of the body, means reciprocal curve graph. 8. A person curves in front of his body with his right hand coexisting. He uses his left hand curve around his face. It defines a reciprocal graph. 9. A person straightly pointing upward. It explains an absolute value graph. 10. A person pointing downward straightly. It means an absolute value graph. 11. A person points southeast straight using his right hand, meanwhile his left hand points straight to northwest. It defines a straight line graph. 12. A person points slightly toward east, at the same time pointed straight to south using his left hand. It means logarithm graph. 13. A person points toward east, coexisting points straight to northwest using his left hand. It means exponential growth graph. Finally, a person joins his both arms together above his head to form a circle. It shows a circle graph. To make function graph card, we need a plain paper, a black pen, a cardboard, and a sample of function graph. Besides, we need to prepare some labels, a glue stick, a cutter, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. What is the equation for this action?
Y equal to sine x.
This.
This is y equal to tangent x. Y equals to negative x.
The second last.
This one is y equals to x squared.
The last one.
This one is y equals to modulus x.
Do you think this method is effective for you?
Yes, I think this method is effective for me to memorize the mean and the graph of the equation.
Okay. Thank you for your feedback.
Conclusion. It shows that creative learning through drawing method is one of the reforms that teachers can do during the class, because creative learning is a learning model that can support 21st century learning strategies, namely the concept of 4C: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity, which makes students able to cultivate creative thinking skills and skills to produce ideas or students' work, and can encourage students to use creativity, imagination, and involve their natural curiosity. That's all for now. Thank you for listening.